let's say you got a winning ad on Meta. I'm talking about video ad. And what you want to do is take that video ad and then copy it into a new ABO ad set. And there you want to clip that video in different parts, because what you'll find is that there might be hidden parts of the video that could convert better in the auction compared to your original one. Because here you can see this was actually the original ad, and compared to the other clips that I got, it's actually underspending. And I always look at ad spend as a leading KPI right after cost per acquisition. And as you can see here, I would have never guessed that this ad would not perform against clips of the same ad. So yeah, make sure to take winning ad and then put it into a new ad set and then clip it at different parts of the video, and you will see very, very interesting results. Of course, you have to make sure that the clip itself makes sense and it's not just a random part of the video. But you can take, if a video, for example, has the length of, 1 minute, you can create 10 different clips out of it, and you'll be very surprised by how these perform in the auction. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel if you want more of these short value nuggets for Meta ads. Thank you.